All right, this is going over question number 11 from homework 4.4 day 2. Goal is to factor, all right? And normally we want this to start with x squared because then we can just make two little factors that have x and x. So the problem is here we have negative x squared. Okay, so when this happens, the trick is to divide everything by -1, or essentially pull -1 to the front. So we're going to treat -1 as a GCF. And the reason being is once we do that, that negative x squared turns into positive, right? Pull out the -1, right? And then all the other signs are going to flip. So now it's minus 5x and plus 4. Okay, and now that we've done this, we have our x squared. So when we make our two little factors, we can just put x and x, and then multiply up to 4, positive 4, but add to -5. I'm going to need two negatives, right, to multiply to a positive 4 and add to a negative. And I think 1 and 4 work there. Multiplies to positive 4, adds to -5. So basically, this is my answer. I just also have to include the -1 that I pulled out in the beginning. Okay, so that's why on this one, there's 3 little blanks. All right, so I'm going to erase this just so we're really clear here. So we have 3 parts that we've pulled out or pulled apart here. Right, so the parts are a -1 in front, and then an x minus 1 times an x minus 4. And if you change the order there, like did x minus 4 and x minus 1, that's really the same answer, right? The order of multiplication doesn't matter. 3 times 2 is the same thing as 2 times 3, right? So the order of the multiplication really doesn't matter. So if you have the order switched around here, that should be okay. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.